Hello class, this is your ICT teacher, Mr. Wallner. I hope you're all doing well, and I would like to start the lesson with teaching you how to make an anonymous Google account because of online safety. So in a browser, Google browser, I want you to search for username generator. And I want you to use this website here. Click on that and go to random username generator, and then on here just select random random categories like sport. Let's go with verbs. I want to select any letter at the beginning, and I would like to use the random form, and this will create some usernames that you can pick. So after you have generated a username, I want you to pick one of these, just any one. I'd probably pick a smaller one. So I'll pick this one or a shorter one, copy that, go to a new Google search and paste it in there and see what comes up. So I have 1 million results for this name, and I want it to be 0. So what I could do is put in numbers, symbols, anything to make it random, so Google cannot search or find this username. So I'll just put random numbers in here and just search again, see what comes up. And this is exactly what I want. I want 0 results for your username. And you probably have to do a couple of cracks at this to see what works. So after you have found a username that it does not come up on a Google search, I want you to copy that name, go to a new tab, and find create a Google account, and select this address here, and then create an account, and then paste this name in here, and for your last name do something random as well. Then I want you to use this same name in here for your address, just to keep everything nice and consistent. So you'll create a password, confirm it, follow the steps to create a Google account that we will need for this class. So the next part for this lesson, I have 2 YouTube videos that I want you to watch. If you had any trouble signing up for a Google account, I will share this link of how to set up a Google account, and it just follows the basic steps very simply and easily. You can follow along if you're having trouble setting up a Google account, or if you wondered if you were doing it correctly. This is a nice video you can watch to make sure you're doing it correctly. Then the next video I want you to watch, that I will also share a link to, is the 10 benefits of having your own Google account. So this person shares quite a few different benefits that you will have at your fingertips because you've just created a Google account. And we will dive into these concepts further as we go further into the course. So for the last part of the class, after you've created your Google account, I want you to go to these overflow icons, click on them and find Blogger. You will click on Blogger and it will ask you to sign up. You can press sign up with Google and use the Google account that you just made. And after you've signed up, a window will appear. And on this window, I want you to press New Post. And this window will appear. And in this window here, I want you to write a 150-word reflection on why it is important to remain anonymous online, and also include 2 things that you learned, why it is beneficial to have a Google account. After you've completed this, you have to press publish, otherwise it won't save. And then after you've completed this, that will be the end of the class.